Now we are going to find the derivative of the function f of x is equals to 6x cube minus 9x plus 40. To find the derivative of this function, we use the standard formula of d by dx of x power n equals n into x to the power of n minus 1. To find the derivative of given function, apply derivative on both sides. That gives f dash x equals d by dx of 6x cube minus 9x plus 40. So we applied derivative on both sides. That equals d by dx of 6x cube minus d by dx of 9x plus d by dx of 40. We know that d by dx of x power n equals n into x to the power of n minus 1. So here d by dx of 6x cube, so power 3 is there, so 6 into 3 into x to the power of 3 minus 1. So we applied this formula, d by dx of x power n equals n into x to the power of n minus 1. In the place of n we have 3 here. So d by dx of 6x cube is 6 into 3 into x to the power of 3 minus 1 minus 9 into d by dx of x plus d by dx of 40. 6 3s are 18 into x power 3 minus 1, that is 2, minus 9 into d by dx of x, that is 1, plus d by dx of 40. 40 is a constant, so the derivative of any constant is 0. So the derivative of 40 is 0. That is 18x square minus 9. So 18x square minus 9 is the derivative of the given function 6x cube minus 9x plus 40.